we need to create a room, right? So the player uh, can start the game, right? So basically we need a function. Let me export this, and we're gonna name it create room, just like this. And in the params, we are gonna pass player one, which will be a string, and we are gonna need the player two, which will also in a string. We need a few things, right? The first one will be in unique ID, and we're gonna call it room ID, and we are gonna use the room as prefix, and then we need the let's use the players, player one, and we're gonna use the player two, just like that. And then we also need the room stores, right? The room stores. So what we are going to store in the room, so we need two const room, we need the type, we will be room, and then here we need the players and the initial board, right? And the initial board will be 9 values with a null, right? And the current player will be x, right? Or the current turn will be x, right? But you can use an O2 as well. It depends how you want to structure the game. And then now we need to save that room so the server can find it later, right? So the way we are gonna save it, it's this way, right? Let me write a comment here. So not store but save the room, and then after that we just need to return the room, right? So the rest of the server can use it. So we're gonna return, and we're gonna return it as an object, right? We are gonna return the room ID, which is unique, and we are gonna return the room, right, which is this one.